Investigation time. What did he cook? Chicken wings? You guys are a chicken wing. I know. I know. What do you know, princess? Oh. You okay, Lemon? Here she is trying to climb up his hair like it's a rope. They just be like dangling, cliff hanging. He's taking a bath. He's so happy. Where are you going, Lemon? Stay on his shoulder. They know what I'm saying. They're not dumb. If anything, they're very, very intelligent. Let's go see what the other chipmunks are up to. There's a basket. My basket girls. One's missing a head. The other one's stretching. Oh, there's a beaver. You got your head back. I was wondering where it went. Hi, Furby girl. Hi, Peepa. You guys basket birds tonight? You guys got your belly full. Now you're hanging out in here, being the two headless women. You guys are getting all pretty and stuff. Well, hello. Oh my god, don't poop on me. You think it's funny?